everyone, it's Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury, and on today I'm coming to you with a video. Well, it's going to be an unbagging and unboxing video. The reason I say unbagging is because I actually received an item without the box. So this is the first time that I am experiencing a purchase that it did not come in the LV box. I was kind of shocked because I never experienced it before. I usually order through my SA, which is located at the Woodlands location here in Houston, Texas. But this time, my husband actually went into the Galleria location, the LV store in the Galleria. He brought back the item and it was not in a box. It's going to be called an unbagging and unboxing video. The big item so I can remove the bag. And as stated, it did not come in a box. It came exactly like this with the Louis Vuitton bag, and it came with the dust bag. I was a little hurt by that because I am spoiled. My SA does spoil me. I usually love to undo the ribbons on the box. It comes all nice and neat. And then here is this huge dust bag with, with the bag inside. And I just feel like the box does protect the bag in so many ways, but it's okay. Like I said, I do have the bag, and at least I'm here to share with you guys today. I will be going over the price of everything at the end. So here I go. Let's do this together, guys. Here is the bag. Since 1854, the Neverfull MM. Yes, I went back and forth with should I purchase this bag? Originally, like I said, when my SA sent it to me, I did not like it at all. So this is my first time with you guys seeing it in person. It does have the inside pouch included, as all Neverfulls come with. Let's see. Inside, the suede black material, gold hardware, and the same for the bag. Inside, suede black material, side pocket. The straps are kind of sturdy, just like the Demira Ebene strap. And what I do love is that it does have the black carefree straps versus the Fashetta. So here is the bag, guys, here in person. How do I feel about it? Honestly, this is out of the norm for me. It does look okay, but for me, if my bag isn't rated at least a 10, I would say an 8. An 8 meaning I can do something creative with it to make it a 10. I will honestly rate this bag as seeing it in person as probably like a 6 for me. Not saying that I hate it at all and that it's something that I couldn't live with, but for me, I love my collection. I love walking into my closet, seeing my bags, and this is something that I do not see in my collection. So I am kind of hurt by it, but it's okay. I mean, I wanted to try it for myself. I didn't want to go by the reviews because I did hear mixed reviews on this bag. The reason I do give it a 6 on the good side, as stated, is because of the strap. The carefree strap. You don't have to worry about any damage at all. I love Neverfull bags. I mean, awesome bags. I love Neverfull bags. The MM is a perfect size for me. I do love the detachable pouch that does come inside, and the inside black suede material. I mean, you don't have to worry about it getting dirty in any kind of way. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And it does have, like I said, the inside pocket to it. But for me, it's nothing that says keep me. Marquita, keep me in your collection. So I'm glad I was able to share it with you guys. I'm able to see it in person and judge for myself. The outside material is like cloth. It's a cloth material. I can see the cream on this bag getting kind of dirty. Yeah, it's just like I say, a 6 out of a 10. And with me, my bags either have to be an 8, 9, most definitely on the 10 side, but an 8 meaning I can add something to the bag, change it up to make it a 10 for me to accept it. So this bag will be going back, guys. Again, not that I hate the bag, it's just that I'm real picky on my bags. I do treat them as babies. And if it's something that I can't see myself going out the door with wearing, even me trying to convince myself to wear, hey, all black, kind of spice it up a little bit, I just can't see myself doing it. I'd rather purchase on something that I know that I will actually love and be happy with. Okay? So I will put this to the side. Let me move my other bag. I will put this to the side and show you guys what else I purchased. And of course, if I got the bag, my husband most definitely said that I needed the Bandeau to match. I am a Bandeau, an LV Bandeau collector. This would be number 27 for me. I do love them. I use them to decorate my bags. I mean, to wrap around my neck. I even wear them around the waist as a belt if I have a nice dress on, a solid colored dress. I do love Bandeau. So this is the since 1854 Bandeau, which matches the bag. And still, I'm trying to convince myself, if I wear all black, have this bag on, black heels with the Bandeau around the neck, maybe it can work. But again, I would just hate to sit on a bag that I would use maybe once or twice. Okay, so I am loving the Bandeau. Very, very beautiful. Same color as the bag, black and this cream color. Will I keep the Bandeau? Probably yes, to add on to some of my unprint black bags that I do have. And like I said, you can always use and be creative with the Bandeaus that you receive from Louis Vuitton. So I am happy with the Bandeau. I will be keeping her. But as far as this bag goes, this since 1854 Neverfull MM will be going back. I have to be happy with my bags. Let's go over the price. Okay, so this Neverfull bag, product code M57230. That's the product code number, guys, just in case you're interested in sending it to your SA or searching online. It is M57230, and this bag was $2,170. Again, it was $2,170. The Bandeau was $195. Okay, $195. So I most definitely will be taking her bag. I want to get something that I will actually be happy with. Something, like I said, I can see in my collection. I can see myself wearing any day of the week, or even a bag that I can take out on date night, you know, somewhere exciting with my husband, somewhere classy, a classy place. I just can't see myself doing this with this bag. So if you have any questions, any comments in regards to the since 1854 bag, please leave them below. If you have any questions on the Bandeau that I purchased as well, leave a comment. You can also email me at marquitalvluxury@gmail.com. I do appreciate all my new subbies. The subbies that have been here with me so far, I appreciate all the kind, encouraging comments you have left me as well. Until next time, guys, please be safe and stay blessed. Bye bye.